I'm making chalkboard cookies. Chalkboard with chalk. This is happening. I've got creaming in my mixer, a cup of butter and a cup of confectioner's sugar. So 1 egg going in and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I love magic. I've been to some parties where there's been a magician kind of walking the room, and it's so much fun. This guy uses regular objects and does all this crazy stuff, so I can't wait. So I added in my teaspoon of vanilla and a teaspoon of salt. So I'm gonna add in 3 cups of all-purpose flour. All I know is with the Glam Squad, it's always an adventure and it's always fun, so I know this is just gonna be an incredible evening no matter what happens. Makes you starting to say, we're making dough. Looking good. So we just have basic sugar cookie dough here. Now this dough will roll out easier for cookies if it's chilled, so I'm just going to get it kind of together in the fridge for a little bit. I've had people write in that they missed my struggles with plastic wrap, and I just want you to know I'm still struggling. Now we're going to make the chalk. I've just got some candy wafers that I've melted in the microwave. They will set up quicker than chocolate, so this is a really great way to do it. And I'm using a little silicone mold here for the chalk. So I've just got a piping bag that I've put the melted candy melts in, and I'm just gonna snip the end off with my really sharp scissors that are working great. I'm just gonna chew off the tip. Then I'm just gonna carefully pipe this melted candy melt in for chalk. We're making chalk. Much better. All right, so to make these set up a little faster, I'm gonna stick these in the fridge and then we're gonna make the chalkboard cookies. These are gonna be little mini chalkboards, so I'm gonna roll the dough out to about 1/4 inch. Handy dandy rolling pin. So I have a little chalkboard cookie cutter here. It's gonna make the perfect little chalkboard. Just gonna get as many out of here as I can. Yay! What's gonna be really cool is we're gonna frost this with black frosting. Then we're gonna have our white candy chalk. So these are gonna go into the oven at 350 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. And they're gonna come out and we're gonna decorate them. And they're gonna be the cutest things ever. I'm just gonna let those cool on the back counter that are gonna be little chalkboards. So I'm making a border with, this is just black icing. I have a thicker and a thinner version, and this is how I made it. For the stiff frosting, I mixed together some store-bought royal icing and black food coloring, and then I put it in a squeeze bottle. For the thinner frosting, to flood my cookies, I thinned it out with just a little bit of water until it was the consistency of maple syrup. What's that, Sam? You're just gonna fill the inside with that frosting. Beautiful. You're flooding the plane.
We're flooding.
Since you are the magic man, I thought you might really enjoy this because this is kind of
fun.
It's kind of a trick cookie, really. And you've got an offset spatula. You're just going around and pushing it to those edges. I feel like I might be born for this job right here.
I think you've got it. You do a really good straight line.
Thank you. While you're working on that, this is candy melt, just formed into...
What's a candy melt?
Candy melt is like a white chocolate situation, but it just stays in better shape. And we made little chalk sticks, and it's actually gonna write on the cookies. These are so cute. You can start putting those on the tray, and I'm gonna show you.
It's so cute.
I'm gonna take one and show you how this works. Is that the cutest thing you've ever seen?
Oh, that's cute.
You wanna write on one? I love it so much.
Draw my favorite letter.
M for mom. Look at you. Okay, let's go in and share with the kids. Okay, so these are chalkboard cookies.
Cute.
And the chalk is edible. And you can write on the cookie.
So cute.
And the chalk. I mean, you can also eat the cookie.
Thank you.
What a great idea.
It's magic. Look how cute that is, girl.
Perfect.